All items need to be placed on the curb by 6 a.m. on your normal collection day. Smaller items should be placed in bags or boxes for pickup.
If 2 people can reasonably lift an item, it will be accepted.
Heavier items will not be accepted.
Items not accepted in the collection include appliances, tires, electronic and hazardous waste, broken glass and concrete, fences, drywall, and landscape material. Also not accepted during collection are tree branches. However, those can be brought to Public Works during cleanup week. Please check our website for more information or give us a call.
This is an example of what not to do. Try to keep your piles in an orderly fashion. Smaller items should be placed in a box or a bag for disposal. All items placed on the curb need to fit into the back of a standard pickup box.
If you live in an apartment, condo, or townhome with private trash collection, you may not be part of the spring cleanup event. Please check with your association to find out. The average Johnston household pays around $6 per year for the annual spring cleanup event.
So, take advantage of it.